Hello friends, if you are searching how to cancel Best Buy credit card, so try this method. Today in this video, we are going to tell you how you can cancel your Best Buy credit card. Only in some easy steps, all steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started. You can contact the Best Buy support team by giving them a call at 8885741301. Make sure that you already have your account number as they may ask you to provide the same. After following the steps as they say, they will connect you to a Best Buy representative who will further handle your cancellation. You can request the representative to cancel your Best Buy credit card and you may even be asked a reason for that. Give them your cancellation reason and stay determined as they might try to keep you away from cancellation. Provide your card or account details as they ask and they will terminate your credit card. Cancel Best Buy credit card via email. You may even try contacting the Best Buy support team through email to request to cancel your credit card. Launch the default email application of your device and make sure you are logged into the account that is registered to Best Buy. Now compose an email for your cancellation and in the subject box, add request to cancel Best Buy credit card. In the email body section, elaborate that you wish to cancel your Best Buy credit card and make sure to provide all the details of your card and account that they may need to confirm your cancellation. When you are done with the email, send it to mybestbuy@bestbuy.com. The representatives will soon get back to you regarding your request. And you are done. By using this method, you can easily cancel your Best Buy credit card. Hope you liked this video. If yes, please hit a like button and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.